There is a real push for it, so that's why Bisbee needs to turn out.
That's good. Thanks for being here to say that.
Yeah.
I think some people realize we don't say that.
Yeah. Well, you know, you can't just assume. You just really can't just like say, oh, well, someone else is so large.
You trying to read my confidential attorney-client privilege? You can go back around into the public area. Stay in the public area. Yeah.
This is paid for by tax dollars, you loser. You smell like alcohol, by the way.
You do smell like alcohol.
You smell like alcohol.
Really? Because
Yeah.
I've never had a sip in my life.
Oh, you're a loser, aren't you? You're a pathetic liar, aren't you?
No.
You really are. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you.
Oh, you do smell.
You look like a liar.
Coming from a toothless moron like you.
The police officer, he's the police chief, right?
Oh,
Come
okay.
on, show your face on.
You're a bully, aren't you? Why don't you make your own
I'm a
video?
bully. I'm the one sitting here calling you names. No, you're the bully.
You're the bully. You're an idiot. And a liar. Pathetic.
I've just seen this.
Oh, that's not bullying.
Where do you come here from? Where do you come here from?
I don't stop you.
Where do you come here from?
Where do you come here from?
I don't gotta talk to you.
You want me to share your address?
Go ahead. I'm not a scared loser like you.
You are hiding.
You're a loser, dude. You're a scaredy pants. I said, hey, share my address. You said, oh, I'm scared. Hey, what's up, Pete?
Good to see you. How you doing?
Hey, man, how's it going?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Not too good. This guy right here, he's a bully.
How are you?
Why don't you tell them what you called me?
Good,
I
thank
didn't
you.
call you any names. Coming from a toothless moron like you.
Guys did it.
Why don't you tell them what you just called me?
You've been calling me drunk.
No, I said you reeked of alcohol at one meeting. Yes, you did.
Okay,
And you
well,
took
you're a
off- And
drunk.
you took off running off in the desert.
Okay, okay. Well, where do you live?
Did you not take?
Where do you come from?
Did you not take off running?
Where do you come from? Oh, why would I have to answer you?
Because you left your vehicle and you took off running through the desert.
What's that? You want to go race me? You want to go race and see who's the drunk? Let's do it. Let's go race. That'll show who's the drunk.
I've got a good dentist for you too.
All right. Who is it?
He deals with a lot of crackheads.
You're a crackhead. You're a coward too. You calling me a crackhead?
I didn't call you a crackhead. I said a dentist deals with a lot of crackheads.
You're a punk.
Am I?
Yeah,
And you're not.
you are. No, I'm
You're
not.
here to protect the community.
Yeah.
Oh, you brought notes for me. I printed some out. Unless we've changed them.
Bar said, what's up? They said they're not too happy with your behavior. Bar said they're not too happy with your behavior.
Oh yeah, because you've talked to him. You wouldn't even know how to contact him. You should have to be literate. You can film me all you want.
Yeah, I don't like bringing to the old lady.
I know. Had to know that.
And you can stay in the public area too. You come around there, I'll have you removed. This is not the public area. You can stay in the public area.
Hey, I pay taxes here.
So that means you can come into the back areas? No, you can't.
There's a door right there.
That's not for you. This is for council access.
Well, where's
This
the,
is the public area here.
Where's the signage?
I told you. You
Nobody
can stay in the
believes you.
public area.
You're a liar.
Oh, because I lied.
Yeah, you do.
Nolan's a great guy.
Cool. I'm just here videoing, dude.
I know.
Why are you messing with me?
Because you're trying to video my phone.
Well, if you're in a public area,
come
dude.
into the, you stay in the public
This is a
area.
public area, dude.
And you're fine right there.
I pay taxes for this building.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Because you have a job.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. You work?
Yeah.
Where do you work?
None of your business.
Because you don't work.
Averaging about 45.
Oh my gosh.
It does, basketball, you know, port of entry.
Broad agenda than we have.
Yes, I know, and then there's a feedlot, small feedlot.
Yeah, I saw
And
some.
there's like 300 people. Somebody was talking a lot from Alaska. I'm sorry, but we're dying of line. And, you know, oh, yeah, it was a retirement period. But you probably disconnect, you know, people have cows and, you know, they don't want to use water, they don't bring cattle, manure, sit out on farms, you know.
Zoom in.
Yeah.
Steady that hand, because you haven't been drinking.
This one made out of his taxes. How much do you know? Yes.
Is that video ready?
You know, I'm gonna say, just the craziness of it, you know? I want to see your
Here,
business plan, and then.
it's a video of my dead son.
We passed 350,000.
You can make fun of him too.
Between Douglas and the Dallas Post Entry. Douglas probably does 125,000 a year. So they said, wow, this is part-time money. We want to know where the money's coming from. So you assume that every Michelin successful businessman is part-time. So did that something like that?
Barely there, you get to really hate on it again.
Total public servant, out looking for the good of the community.
They have, through New Mexico, genetically made it.
Hard worker.
What's the Japanese word?
Great videographer.
Yeah, whatever that's called.
Hands barely shaking.
Then go back to New Mexico, and they can process them, then bring them over here to sun. I kind of want to see if it's me to say anything, because this is Douglas, and it's, you know, a lot of retired people, a lot. Agriculture, so, I'm like, how do you not think, can buy in there where there's people love it? How, I don't like that. Well, you know, they expect to change it because they have a plan. So there's institutional, you know, between, I mean, my great uncle had a pig farm, you know, I'm sure they wouldn't like that either, but that's our economic dependency, you know, so. So then we want to bring the railroad back, we want to get my battle.
Make sure you zoom in and get all the gray hairs.
That's what it costs. I'm gonna fight for them, and why is really well, because they have a rail that tries first.
They're actively working in between here and
I went to their licensing commission. Semiconductors, it's huge. Everything that comes to that is huge in Arizona and it's huge in Sonora. So we can get some of that industry to come through that port of entry. Then, you know, Cochise County was going to do a little yeah, I mean, I remember some of
The last person is going for the air conditioner.
you know, I remember taking Holland, taking the train from.
down the Muslim one.
Yes.
Just sitting there right now.
Exactly.
But it's like,
Why exactly?
you know, remember it's running to school. It's really smart. Job, you know, like you just see.
And the mayor of Douglas went down to see.
How many times do I have to ask you to go to the public area?
And the talk was from the commission.
Yes, that is a ramp.
That
is a public area.
Strategic plan for the area, which includes Bisbee, again, stakeholders, you know, people. I even have talked with the whole thing and say, is this going to happen because we're starting a business in Douglas, you know?
This area.
How so what you guys done? For the schools.
Are you going to block my way again?
For your schools in that whole area.
Look where he stepped into me, or he's drunk.
From here down to the port. So when he finishes this, all of that means maybe we can have
You going to follow me into the bathroom? Because you know that's illegal.
Douglas is happening.
Hey, do y'all know, is the public allowed to use that exit right there?
That would be a question for us.
For Ashley? Okay, thanks. So the public's not allowed to use that exit right there?
It's not usually open.
Not usually, or is the public not allowed to use that exit though?
It's locked all the time.
It's locked all the time? Okay. What about for like emergencies?
Well, of course, that would be.
So is it locked if there's an emergency? You're gonna unlock it?
Nolan, I don't know.
I'm just asking.
I'm not gonna fight with you tonight, Nolan.
I'm not fighting with you.
You're looking for a fight with somebody, and it's just not gonna be me tonight, Nolan. I'm sorry.
Okay, you can think whatever you want, Ashley.
Hey, Nolan, I'm not trying to fight with you, okay?
I just asked a simple
I'm
question.
trying to get prepared for tonight's meeting, okay? Thank you.
Hey, man.
I wasn't. I don't know.
We just put Mr. out. Everyone is just sitting outside now, and it's got good.
Hey, man.
Why's your head shaking? You been drinking?
Are you drunk?
Are you?
You look like you drink.
Never.
Yeah, you look unhealthy.
Probably could use a drink.
You want to go have a race to see who's healthier?
Shall we?
Yeah. You want to? Have a foot race. All right, let's go do it. Come on.
Let's go.
All right. We're going to videotape it. We're going to videotape it.
Yeah. Let's go.
All right, so we're going to have a foot race.
Where do you want to go?
I guess we'll go out to the park.
Which one?
Vista Park, right there.
In less than 3 minutes?
Oh, you're the one saying you want to do
No,
it.
You're the one who asked me to go out for
Let's
a
go
race.
do it.
I don't want to go out with you.
It sounds like you're
I
scared.
don't date guys.
You don't date guys?
No, why would you ask me out?
Oh, I didn't know you were gay.
You are.
Well, you're the one talking about
You're
it.
the one blowing me kisses.
You're the one that's so fat, dude.
Yeah.
I thought you wanted a race. Well, we were going to go do it, but you scared it out. All right, we'll do it after the meeting.
Bisbee Mining and Historical Museum.
Hey, Pete, do you know where the mayor is? No clue, huh?
I've been out of town,
Yeah.
so I just got back 2 days ago.
Okay.
I guess he's on vacation right now, and I know Steve Pocket is on vacation.
Okay. Yeah, I was just wondering because the sheriff is looking for him.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
Can't help you there, buddy.
Oh, that's what I was just asking.
Okay,
right.
you take care.
Yeah. I wonder if anybody knows.
Thank you. It's nice to see you. Good to see you.
Joe wants to have a race with me in Vista Park, so me and Joe are going to have a race, a foot race in Vista Park. You want to come watch it? Yeah. All right. There he goes. Hold on.
We'll see you later.
All right, bud. I got to go catch up to him. I think he forgot. Hey, I like that shirt, bud.
Thank you.
Joe! Come on, bud. Let's go race. We're going to see who the real drunk is. Hey, if you're not a drunk, then why don't you want to go race me? Oh, that's a good one coming from a drunk like you. Scumbag lawyer drunk like you, huh, Joe? You scared to lose, huh? Well, why don't you go do it? Why don't we go race? Hey Joe, if you're not drunk, then what are you scared of? Reality? Look at that F-350 he's got right there. I thought you weren't a drunk, Joe. I thought you weren't a drunk. Hey, if you weren't a drunk, Joe, if you weren't a drunk, you'd go race me, buddy.